Ready? Come get it. Come get it. He's looking at it like, bro, what is this? Alright. What is this? Yeah, you like that? What you got? What you got? Here, people, listen to this. Listen to this. Ready? Hey, hey, hey. That's coming from his mouth. Ready? You big stupid, aren't you? I love you. Let's see. Let's see what you got. What you got? What you got? Oh, you can't get nothing out of this, huh? It's stuck, huh? Big tough guy, but you can't. Oh, you lost. See? Ready? Go get it. Yeah, good boy. Let me see. Let me see. Ready? Oh, I love you, buddy. Yes, I know you love me too. Go get it. He's like, throw it farther. Go get it. There you go. So whenever it's too cold outside, I play with him in the house, or I'm busy or something, to take him on a walk or run. I usually try to take him on a walk every day though, at least for 30 minutes a day. So we play this fetch game in the house. Ain't that right, buddy? Huh? Ain't that right? He's like, give me that. Give me that. Ain't that right, huh? Is that what you're telling? Go get it. Oh, you see that slide? That is a Major League Baseball slide right there. That's like professional level slide right there. Sliding into the DMs be like. Look at that face. You big stupid, aren't you? Alright people, if you want to buy him a treat, the link of the Cashapp will be in the description box below. But as always, you know the best way you can support him is by like, comment, sharing, and subscribing. Or following him on other socials. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, wherever I post this. Username would be Pimpin' Paws, as always. We're gonna enjoy our afternoon playing fetch and then getting food and treats. Well, treats for him. But yeah, wanna have fun with him? Ain't that right, buddy? Ain't that right? Who's a good boy? Yeah, you're a good boy. Let's see what you got. Let's see if I can pick you up with this. Oh, look at that. I'm picking you up with this. Uh-oh. Ready? Go get it. Alright, people. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.